Imagine a world where smart glasses are not just a novelty, but a staple in our daily lives. Welcome to the future, where technology has made it possible for us to wear stylish, AI-powered glasses that can change the way we interact with the world. But here's the thing. The smart glasses market has been dominated by Meta, with their sleek Ray-Ban smart specs being the gold standard. That is, until now. HTC has just unveiled the Vive Eagle smart glasses, and they're giving Meta a run for their money. But what makes these glasses so special, and are they worth the hype? Let's delve in and find out. The Vive Eagle smart glasses are not just a pretty face. They're packed with features that make them a serious contender in the smart glasses market. They also come with Zeiss lenses, which provide great UV protection and support for both Google Gemini and ChatGPT AI models. But here's where it gets interesting. The Vive Eagle smart glasses have real-time text-to-speech translation capabilities across 13 languages, far surpassing Meta's support for 4 languages. And this is the part most people miss. The ability to choose between different AI models gives users more flexibility and control over their smart glasses experience. But, and this is a big but, the price tag for these glasses is steep. At roughly $520, they're significantly more expensive than the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, which cost around $299. However, HTC is offering a pre-order deal that includes 2 years of Vive AI Plus for free, which might offset the cost for some users. So, what's the verdict? Are the Vive Eagle smart glasses worth the investment? That's a tough question to answer, especially since they're only available in Taiwan for now. But one thing is certain, these glasses are a game changer, and they're going to give Meta a serious run for their money. The question is, will they be available internationally anytime soon? Only time will tell. But here's the thing. If you're in the market for smart glasses that can keep up with your active lifestyle, you might want to consider holding out for the Vive Eagle. They're sleek, they're stylish, and they're packed with features that make them a serious contender in the smart glasses market. And who knows, you might just find yourself wondering how you ever live without them. But we want to hear from you. Are you excited about the Vive Eagle smart glasses, or do you think they're overhyped? Let us know in the comments. And as we always say, stay tuned for more updates on the latest and greatest in tech.